Hi everybody, this is Hope from Host Loving Hands. Excuse the hair, but I have been getting mad requests on how to tie my hair wraps. So I said I'll do a video. So this is what my hair look like underneath the video. I'm gonna wash it this weekend. But y'all see all this gray? That my mama did this to me, my mom. But anyway, okay. So first of all, you're gonna need a wig cap or a weave cap. This one I have a weave cap because I didn't have a wig cap. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, put it on your head, hold your hair down. That's what I do. Put it on my head to hold my hair down. Maybe I think I got it on the wrong side. Yeah, I had it on the wrong side. Hold my hair down. I'll get everything up in there. Put it like, make sure it's at your hairline and not, I should have put that in the back, but it's in the front now. And not at all the way down here, because you don't need it to be all the way down there. I'm trying to push all my edges in. You see I got some healthy edges though. Okay, anyway. Then you're gonna take a regular scarf. This is a regular scarf, y'all. This is a scarf that I bought in the street from the street vendors that sell scarves downtown Brooklyn. It's a regular scarf. You can get some material. This is just a regular scarf. A regular scarf. It's a regular scarf. It's not nothing special. So what I do is, because it's so wide, you see how wide it is? I fold some of it down like that. You see that? And that part that I fold down, I put it to the back of my head, back here. So it's at the back of my head. And then I make sure that both sides is even. You could leave your ears in, your ears out. It's whatever you want to do. I'm going to leave part of my ears out. And then what I do is I start twisting. So I have one on one side, and I start twist. I bring it together and I start twisting. Just start twisting, twisting, start twisting like that. See? And then I start wrapping. Twist, 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 and then I wrap again. Twist, twist. Now this scarf has fringes, so I try to like make sure that the fringes are stuck in between the fabric, so that they won't be sticking out the fringes. So I grab the fringes and make sure. See, like that. And I keep wrapping it around. And then when I get to the end, I just tuck it. Just tuck it. Hold on, tuck it, tuck it. And there you go. Wait a minute, let me get it more tucked. And there you go. And that's it. That is it. It's nothing spectacular. I make sure it's centered. And now, if you want to put on your makeup, make sure your edges are in, or you can swirl your edges. I don't like that swirly stuff. I'm too old for baby hair. And that's it. I hope this helps somebody. I hope this helped. Whoever was looking for it for their help, I hope they helped. Okay. See, all my hair is in the back. Got a little bit of hair sticking out. Pull it down. You can put it over your ears if you want. A lot of times I wear it over my ears, but lately I've been wearing it under my ears. And this is it. So I hope this helped you, and talk to you later. Bye.